Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video we'll be dealing about how a dictionary is used in Python. So before moving on into our topic, we have to know two basic things, which is keys and values. So in order to give an example about this keys and values, I can say something like a phone. If I need to contact my friend, say Sweta, using my phone, then in my phone I will go to the contacts and text in Sweta's name first. Then after texting Sweta's name only, her contact will appear, that is her number will appear, and then only I can call her. So in this entire process, the Sweta becomes the key, and our ultimate goal is to call her through her phone number, and that phone number becomes the value. So here Sweta becomes the key to call through her phone number, which that phone number becomes the value. So in the dictionary in Python, we'll be dealing about these two things only, which is key and value. So in order to create a dictionary in Python, first we have to assign a variable to it. For example, here I am assigning a variable which is crew, and after assigning a variable, I am using curly braces because usually for lists only we used square brackets, and today we are going to learn about dictionaries. So in dictionary we will use curly braces only, and after opening these curly braces, now we have to put in our keys and values. For example, here I am using a key which is 1, and next to the key I have to put in my value. But before putting in my value, I have to do one more thing, which is I have to give a colon after the key. So after entering the key which you need, you have to use a colon, and next to the colon only you have to give the value which you need for. You can give any kind of value which you opt for, and here I am using names, which is Jack. You can use anything of your choice. And after this I am using another key which is 2, and after that 2 becomes the key, and after the key, as usual, I have to put in the colon, and then after the colon I have to again specify another value. Here I am texting it as Jessie. Then again I am using another key which is 3, and again I am using an colon, and again I am giving a different value which is something called Hardy, and then I am closing my curly braces. Now this entire thing is called as key value pair, and this entire thing makes a dictionary. We can call this entire thing to be as key value pair because we have keys and we have values also assigned to it, like Jack, Jessie and Hardy. So since both are mixed here, we can call this as key value pair, and this entire thing becomes as a dictionary. So now when I say Python to give me crew, it gives me the entire dictionary here, and this dictionary will make sense when we need to fetch something from the dictionary. For example, if I need to fetch Jessie from the dictionary, what should I do? So let's see. I have to text in the variable crew, and then I have to open square brackets this time, and inside these square brackets I have to mention the key near Jessie. For example, here Jessie is the value. Since I need to fetch Jessie from the dictionary, I have to specify the key given for Jessie, and here the key given for Jessie is 2. So inside the square brackets I have to specify 2, and now when I press enter, Python will immediately go and search in the dictionary, and it will find the key 2, and in the output it will specify the value regarding to the value 2, key 2. That is what Python has done here for us. And now let's say crew, and this time inside these square brackets I'm going to text in a key which is 7, and now when I press enter, Python shows me an error because when you see our dictionary up here, we have keys only till 3, like we have 1, 2 and 3. We don't have any key which is called as 7. So obviously Python shows us an error here. And one more thing here is, the key can be of your choice. You can give any key you want for, but the only thing is the key should be immutable and it should be specific. That is, you cannot use the same key twice. So the only thing is the key should be immutable and specific, guys. And there is also another way in order to fetch something from the dictionary, and the second method is you have to text in again your variable, and after the variable now we are going to put an full stop, and after the full stop you are going to text in something which is called as get. So this get is a bit new to us. It's very simple because it simply gets in, or it simply fetches the value which we need from the dictionary. That is what a get does in Python. And after this get, we have to open our parentheses, and inside the parentheses obviously we should enter in the key which we need for. For example, if I need to fetch in Hardy here, then I have to put in the key 3. So inside the brackets here I am using the key 3. So when I press enter, I get the value regarding the key 3, which is Hardy. And now we are going to create a dictionary from the list. So in order to create a dictionary from the list, first we have to create a list. We have to create at least 2 or 3 lists. So here I am going to create my first list, and for the first list I am going to use a variable which is keys. And as mentioned earlier, for the list we must use square brackets, and inside the square brackets I am giving or assigning in certain keys, like I am using names here like Hari. You can use any kind of key. My second key is Balu and my third key will be Muthu or something like this. So this is our first list which contains the keys, and I am going to create my second list, and for the second list I am using a variable which is values, and for this I am giving in like Python, C, C++. Okay, so list number 2 is ready here. So our keys and values for our dictionary is already ready here, because in our list number 1 we have keys like Hari, Balu and Muthu, and in our list number 2 we have values for the keys which is Python, C and C++, which means for the key Hari we have assigned a value which is Python, which means like Hari loves learning Python or something like that. And for a second key Balu, we have assigned a value C, which means Balu loves to learn C programming language. And for a third key Muthu, we have assigned a value which is C++, which means Muthu loves to learn C++. So now our ultimate aim is to convert or to merge these both the list in a 2 dictionary. So in order to do that, we have to create a new variable in order to store these 2 lists. So here I am creating a new variable which is data, and after creating a new variable I am opening the parentheses, and inside the parentheses I have to text in both these keys and these values inside the parentheses using a comma, and then I am closing the parentheses, and before the opening these parentheses I am going to text in some other thing which is called as zip. So what this zip does is it simply zips up both your list number 1 and list number 2. So before the zip, again we have to open another parenthesis, and finally you have to close it, and half of the part is over, and this becomes complete when we text in dict here in front of zip. So when we text in dict in front of all these things, it converts the entire statement, will convert our list number 1 and our list number 2 into a dictionary. So for example, now I am texting data now, and when I press enter, what happens is that Python will merge both the list number 1 and list number 2 for me, and it gives it to be a dictionary having key and value next to it. For example, here I am having the key Hari, and for that I have the assigned value which is Python, and for the key number 2 which is Balu, I have the assigned value which is C, and for the key number 3 which is Muthu, I have the assigned value which is C++. So this is how you merge two lists in order to form a dictionary. So now what will you do in order to add something to a dictionary? If you want something extra to be added to a dictionary, what should you do? You have to text in the variable, the new variable which is data, and after texting in the new variable data, you have to open the square brackets, and you have to text in the new thing or the new key which you need to add to the dictionary. And my new key here is going to be something Moni, and you have to close your square brackets, and after that use your equal to symbol, and then again you have to specify the value for your key Moni. So here I am going to give the value which is Java, which means Moni loves to learn Java, something like that. So this is the procedure of you to add something to the dictionary. And now when you press data, Python will give you the entire dictionary, which also includes Moni loves to learn Java. So what will you do when you need to delete something from the dictionary? So in order to delete something from the dictionary, you have to text in del, which means delete, and after that you have to again text in your new variable which is data, and after that you have to open the square brackets, and inside the square brackets you have to mention your key which is to be deleted. For example, I need to delete Muthu from the dictionary. I have to mention Muthu, which is the key for me, and then I have to close my square brackets. And now when I press or enter data, Python will give me the dictionary excluding Muthu. I have Hari learns Python, Balu learns C, and there is no Muthu, and after that comes Moni learns Java. So Muthu, the key Muthu is completely excluded from the dictionary. So that's it, guys. I hope this content was much more clear to you guys. If so, then please do give this video a thumbs up, and do subscribe to our channel for a future upcoming videos.